The DJI Osmo Nano has finally arrived, and it's aiming to change the way creators capture content on the go. This device is tiny, lightweight, and portable, yet it comes packed with powerful features that promise to deliver big results. Designed with vloggers, travelers, and mobile creators in mind, it brings professional-level stabilization and intelligent shooting tools into the palm of your hand. But here's the question. Can a stabilizer this small really live up to the hype? Can it deliver cinematic footage, smooth motion tracking, and creative shooting modes that usually require bulkier gear? In today's video, we're putting the Osmo Nano through a real-world test. We'll break down how it handles vlogging, low-light performance, stabilization, and app integration, while also exploring the unique shooting modes that make it stand out. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's see if this pocket-sized tool deserves a spot in your everyday creator kit. First impressions of the Osmo Nano are instantly positive. Its design is sleek, simple, and built for portability. Weighing less than most everyday items, it feels surprisingly light without feeling cheap. The brushed finish adds a premium touch, and the folding arm makes it easy to store in a pocket or small bag. Button placement feels natural and intuitive, so whether you're filming in landscape or selfie mode, it sits comfortably in the hand. Setup is a breeze, thanks to the magnetic phone mount system. Unlike traditional gimbals that often require balancing, the Osmo Nano unfolds, clicks into place, and is ready to record in seconds. When it comes to capturing footage, the Osmo Nano takes your smartphone camera to the next level. It doesn't replace your phone's imaging hardware, but instead enhances it with DJI's intelligent image optimization. The software automatically tweaks brightness, contrast, and sharpness depending on your environment, giving your clips a polished, cinematic look without the need for manual editing. Paired with phones capable of 4K recording, the Nano can produce vibrant and detailed results both in daylight and in challenging low-light conditions. Stabilization is where the Osmo Nano truly shines. With its 3-axis motorized gimbal, it eliminates shaky handheld footage and delivers smooth, professional-looking video. Whether you're walking through a busy street, filming on uneven terrain, or even shooting from a moving vehicle, the footage stays steady and fluid. DJI also includes multiple modes like follow, tilt lock, and FPV, letting creators adapt stabilization to match their style of shooting. For anyone who's tired of shaky phone footage, this is a game changer. The Osmo Nano's companion, the DJI Mio app, is another highlight. It's easy to use for beginners but has enough advanced tools for seasoned creators. The app allows live previews, quick edits, and instant sharing to social platforms. Features like AI-powered editing suggestions, smart templates, and one-tap filters simplify the process of making professional content directly on your phone. For creators who live stream or share content frequently, the built-in live streaming support is a big advantage. Battery life is practical for a device this size, offering about 2 to 2.5 hours of continuous shooting. USB-C fast charging ensures downtime is kept short, and the clever addition of bidirectional charging means you can even top up your smartphone in emergencies. Then come the intelligent shooting modes, which are perfect for creators who want more variety in their footage. Dynamic zoom creates dramatic cinematic effects, time-lapse and hyperlapse allow you to capture movement creatively, and panorama mode lets you stitch together wide scenic shots with ease. Gesture control is another handy feature, enabling you to start recording with a simple hand wave, ideal for solo vloggers who don't have someone behind the camera. Overall, the DJI Osmo Nano successfully blends portability, stabilization, and creative shooting features into a single compact package. It makes professional-looking content accessible to anyone, whether you're a beginner trying to improve your travel videos or an experienced creator looking for a lightweight tool. This device proves that you don't need bulky equipment to achieve smooth, cinematic results. The DJI Osmo Nano shows us that big performance can come in a very small package. It's sleek, light, and incredibly user-friendly, yet powerful enough to elevate mobile content creation to a new level. With excellent stabilization, intelligent shooting modes, and seamless app integration, it's built for creators who want to capture professional results without carrying heavy or complicated gear. Whether you're a vlogger documenting your daily life, a traveler exploring new destinations, or simply someone who loves making creative clips for social media, the Osmo Nano offers the right mix of portability and performance. It's proof that DJI continues to push the limits of what compact stabilizers can achieve. Thanks for watching Technify. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and guides. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep innovating with Technify. See you in the next one.